Yes, people know, so I mean, hey, see more there. Come on. So let me say, people, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Come on, you have chicken, see chicken them about 10 of them, 10 chicken. Yeah, when I want to look pretty, pea black one, people, couple round head in there, see it, couple round head, so 2 more there, so, mother in there, so, watch him in there, so, when he egg in there, so, same way, you want to see me can catch him, egg in there, so, yeah, man, one on this set same way, so let me say, people, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe, couple egg in there, so, flip on the egg, yeah. Yeah, good amount of egg in here, you see it. So I say please subscribe to the YouTube channel. But 9 egg in there, you see it. So please subscribe. Please subscribe. See a brown one, you can roasters are in, so you still. Yeah, man. Subscribe, people. So I buy feed the guinea, I see it, people. So I must say please subscribe. Only that alone you can do me. I see me just please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Come on. See you, subscribe to it. Yeah. Yeah, people roasted the fight yesterday. For him brother, because his brother neighbor to him. So but this one there over from the yard win, cause he win. You see me? His brother down the yard look like him blood up. And brother used to bother me, you see so. So people I see me can catch a rooster one day. Anytime ready, you see me? Like on holiday or something like that. So I'm busy I know. So see me can catch him one day and put him up there so you see it. Yeah, man.